Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Cloud Computing Week 8 Assignment 8. So the first question is, in Docker, which command will show all containers both running and stopped on the host? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is B. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which statement about Docker volume is true? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is C. Docker volume persists independently of the container lifecycle. And now let's go to our question number 3. Which statement best describes the relationship between containers and virtual machines? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is B. Multiple containers can share the same OS kernel while running on a VM. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following is not a primary responsibility of Kubernetes? So these are the options and the answer of our fourth question is C. Providing low level hardware virtualization via hypervisor extensions. And now let's go to our question number 5. In a green cloud data center, which strategy most directly reduces energy consumption while maintaining SLA as much as possible? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is C. Consolidating VMs onto fewer physical servers and powering down idle machines. And now let's go to our question number 6. Which is the biggest practical challenge when integrating wireless sensor network WSNs directly into a sensor cloud? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is A. And now let's go to our question number 7. Which architecture is most appropriate to support ultra low latency IoT applications? Example, industrial control autonomous system that cannot tolerate high round trip time to a distant cloud. So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is B. Use edge fog computing nodes closer to the devices for processing. And now let's go to our question number 8. Why is it often necessary to pre-process or aggregate sensor data before long-term storage in large-scale IoT sensor cloud system? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is A. To reduce rapidly growing storage and processing cost from raw high volume data. And now let's go to our question number 9. Consider the following statement about virtualization in a sensor cloud. So statement first, virtual sensors can be created by aggregating, filtering or combining data from multiple physical sensors. Statement second, virtualization in a sensor cloud allows multiple applications to share the same underlying physical sensor infrastructure. Which option is correct? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is C. And now let's go to our question number 10. What is the primary reason latency critical IoT application, example autonomous vehicle control, cannot rely solely on a centralized cloud? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is B. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.